Welcome to this series of 3 pregnancy stretches for your pelvic floor. This is a beautiful series to do, particularly later in your pregnancy, preparing for birth. It's also a beautiful series if you've got an overactive pelvic floor to help focus and to let go, relax, and to stretch. And in general, throughout your entire pregnancy, this is a beautiful short series that you can just fit into your day. Hi, I'm Karen, the founder of Preactive. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to the Preactive YouTube channel, and drop any comments or questions you have below. I love hearing from you. So let's get started. You don't need any equipment. Simply come up into a high kneel position. Send one leg forward. Now from here, it's just a bend and then a stretch back. Now as you're bending, if you can reach forward and then press back. I'll also link below the series I have with these stretches using a big, beautiful birthing ball. Because if you can't reach the ground, having maybe a yoga block or something, a chair close by is good. And just going forward and back. Now let's slow this down. As you come forward, let's stay if we can and breathe here. And press it back. Stay here and breathe. And slowly release. We'll swap to the other side. So you want to have that foot slightly out so that you're opening through the hips. Next time that you come down, stay low, maybe holding to the ground or to your blocks or your chair or your ball. Breathe. And then release, stretch it back, hold here and breathe. And then release. Coming into all 4 kneeling. Hands go forward, knees go wide. We stretch back and we come forward. As you stretch back, big breath in. And out as you come forward. Breathe here. And out. Breathe. And out. Just one more like this. Breathe it in. And out. Moving into a yogi squat or a deep squat. So you can come up to a standing position and then you can let your body come down. Now you might not be able to go all the way down, and that is totally fine. If you've got a yoga block or a big book, you can place that underneath you and sit on that, or a low stool. You can do this on a lower chair if you've got one. A little toddler chair is good. Breathe here. You can do, if this feels too low for you, you can do a really nice hip opener using a birth ball, which I'll show you in that next series. Breathe. 2 more deep breaths. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Perfect. Slowly release. Just shake all of that out. Take a big breath in. Let it go. And well done. That are your 3 stretches that you can do daily. Beautiful way to help relax your body, open up and stretch, and so beautiful for your pelvic floor. If you like that, make sure you give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or comments below. I would love to know how you're going in your pregnancy. Where are you at? How many weeks? Where are you from? I love hearing from you. For more just like this, head over to pregactive.com.